Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to change the side markers for a 2014 Camaro. So firstly you have to put a screwdriver in the gap in here in the fender. So once you push the lock from the inside, the marker comes out really easy, and you can slide it to the right side and take it out. And here's our new LED amber side markers. So you just have to rotate the socket to take the bulb out, and once you do that you can put the new wire from the amber LED in the right spot of the old bulb. This bulb here is all damaged, so I will put on the new LED amber side markers. So you don't have to do anything else, and there's our new amber LED.